Welcome back everyone to week 6 of our class. Let's start off by taking a look at pipelining. Pipelining is one of the most powerful and possibly confusing aspects of PowerShell. The output of one program can be the input of another. Pipelining is passing data and objects from one CMDlet to another in a very robust fashion. A, B, C, meaning the output of A goes to B and then the output of B goes to C. In essence, with pipelining, you're telling a machine how to do something via the software. Now here's an example of pipelining actually executing 3 CMDlets. The first, get-process, returns a list of all running processes. The second, where, curly brackets, will return the conditioned value which handle count is greater than 400. Finally, the format dash list. This will display the results in alphabetical order. Now let's pause here for a moment and take a look at pipelining example output. Process name, CSRSS, ID, 1080. Process name, Explorer, ID, 1952. Process name, Grove, ID, 2656. Process name, inetinfo, ID, 1524. Now let's take a closer look at sorting. The sort-object CMDlet is used to produce a list of items in ascending or descending order. Here's an example of how it works. How to use grep and unique commands in Linux. The grep command is used to search text or searches a given file for lines containing a match to the given strings or words. By default, grep displays the matching lines. Use grep to search for lines of text that match one or many regular expressions and outputs only the matching lines. grep is considered as one of the most useful commands on Unix and other Linux operating systems. Let's take a closer look at the grep command syntax here. Let's take a look at a simple example first to highlight the fundamental concepts. Given a file called fruit with the following contents, apples, oranges, apples, you can discover how many times each word appears as follows. %, sort fruit, pipe, unique-c. This will result in 1 orange, 2 apples. So what's really happening here? First, sort fruit sorts the file. The result ordinarily would go to the standard output, in this case, your terminal. But note the pipe that follows. That pipe directs the output of sort fruit to the input of the next command, unique-c, which then prints each line preceded by the number of times it occurs. Managing Exchange 2007. Windows PowerShell -129 commands is get-command. Exchange PowerShell -394 commands is get-ex command. Now let's look at command syntax. New-mailbox, get-mailbox, set-mailbox, move-mailbox, remove-mailbox. At last, we can apply sort and unique. Here's the final command pipeline. Let's take a look at it. The backslash in this command indicates it is continued on the next line. You can type the command as one long line without the backslashes, or use them to break up a long pipeline into multiple lines on a screen. You may have noticed that, unlike our simple example, the first sort is a numeric sort, sort-n. This is appropriate because we are, after all, dealing with numbers. The other difference is the inclusion of pipe, sort-rn, pipe, head. The sort-rn command sorts the output of unit-c in reverse numeric order. The head command prints only the first 10 lines of output. You can change the functionality of this pipeline by making changes to any of the component commands. For instance, if you wanted to print the bottom 10 instead of the top 10, you need only change head to tail. So let's take a look at function and debug. Under here we have script block, function, function arguments, function return values, variable scope, and debug. Okay, so let's take a closer look at script block. Here we see PS greater than $A equals open curly brackets, $X equals 2, comma, $Y equals 3, comma, $X star $Y close curly brackets. PS greater than and $A, PS greater than 6, as well as PS greater than $pipe S name equals open curly bracket for each open bracket $item in $input close bracket, open curly bracket $item dot name close curly bracket, closed curly bracket, PS greater than dir pipe and $ is name. Now we'll have a closer look at function. Here we see PS greater than function my simple fun open curly brackets right dash host open quotation this is a function close quotation close curly bracket. We also see PS greater than my simple fun. This is a function. Okay, so function arguments. Here we see PS greater than function show dash str open curly brackets right dash host $args open bracket 0 close bracket close curly brackets. PS greater than show dash str open quotation hello comma first arg exclamation exclamation close quotation hello comma first arg exclamation exclamation. Now we'll take an additional look at function return values. Here we see PS greater than function A and B open brackets open square brackets int close square bracket $x equals 10 comma open square brackets int close square brackets $y equals 90 close brackets open curly brackets greater than $x plus $y greater than $x minus $y greater than $x times $y greater than closed brackets greater than PS greater than A and B 8 2 10 6 16 PS greater than $RST equals A and B 8 2 PS greater than $RST dot length 3. So let's summarize. Piping data through sort and unique is exceedingly handy. One of the truly great qualities of Unix-like operating systems is their ability to combine multiple commands. By combining commands, you can perform a wide array of tasks, and you're limited only by your cleverness and imagination. File sort, often used as a filter in a pipeline. This command sorts a text stream or file forwards or backwards, or according to various keys or character positions. Using the -m option, it merges pre-sorted input files as well. The unique utility filter removes duplicate lines from a sorted file. It is often seen in a pipe coupled with sort. As always, here are a list of references to guide you along the way.